Hey guys, it's Warren Boy and welcome back to another video. So we're here today at Hoover Dam and I'm driving and I'm with the wifey. What's up? So we're going in right now to the checkpoint in Hoover Dam and let's see what questions they ask. Security checkpoint right here. Keep on going, tells us to go. Good morning. Hi. Let me go to Alimpa. Alright, so yeah, so they told us to put the phone away and now we're entering Hoover Dam. Welcome to Hoover Dam. Alright. So it looks like we're going straight. How beautiful it is. Yeah, but they said no phone so while I'm driving. We'll drive like a turtle. Alright. So it looks like we stop over there and then once we stop and get down, I'll continue. Wow, look at this, guys.
Turn right into the parking lot.
That is.
Then arrive at your destination.
Hoover Dam. Bridge scenic view.
Arrived.
We have arrived. Yes, pa. We're gonna take a look. Looks like we're gonna have to do some walking, guys. So once we park, I'll show you guys how it is outside. So we're parked, and it looks like we're gonna have to go up. Either take the stairs, or you can take that route where you go back and forth until you reach the bridge and the lookout. It's pretty neat. What do you guys think? Should we take the stairs or go back and forth? We'll see. I think it's pretty cool though. Tourist stuff. Got a Tesla right here, backing up. So I'm here with Faye's parents and my cousin Ace and his family. And Faye's parents, they're waiting for the bathroom. It's pretty cool. The boys are with me. What's up? What's up, Gav? What you got there? Ooh, you gotta, hey, watch out for rattlesnakes. There's rattlesnakes around here. You gotta watch out for rattlesnakes. Okay. You gotta watch out for rattlesnakes.
Where are they?
I don't know. They're hiding. It's camouflage. It's pretty cool. So Faye and I are walking to the entrance of Hoover Dam. How you guys doing? I forgot to shave. And little white whiskers are coming out. I said you look nice.
Oh, thank you.
A lot of people. Looks like we're gonna take the stairs. It's faster until we get to the top. Tourist things.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Where are you guys from?
From here.
Oh, okay.
We're pretty better.
Nice. Yeah, we have family from the Philippines.
Yeah, we just brought our friends out to see everything.
But what's up, you tired?
No?
I am.
What's up, Tita?
I am.
You're not tired, Tita. Father and daughter.
Okay, thank you.
Most of the time I just use
Kasi kunyari barko.
Wait lang, wala ng tao. No more tao. Okay, wait lang, wait. Lady.
Yeah, baby.
1, 2, 3. Yun.
Baby, look at this. Oh, show me.
Hi, Ma. This is Faye's mom. Hi, Ma.
Hi na.
Diyan kayo. Oh! Nasa video na. Nasa vlog yan. Oh, stop. So sweet. Gagawa ng mga sila, ma'am.
Tawa ka pa sa kamay ko. Yan, yan, yan.
Na may kiss pa.
Keep saying it. We had our crawlers too.
Oh, man. At least one, huh? Whoa.
Can we look?
Yeah, go.
Did you have to like Papa?
Okay, we'll wait for them once we get there.
Man.
Oh, because we still gotta keep on walking.
What?
Yep.
Oh yeah, because we have to go downstairs.
Come on, we still have to walk. Hey. Whoa, that's cool, Gav. Look. Don't throw anything. I already know. Don't throw anything, man.
That's the dam.
Selfie ka ba sa sarili? Ka lang. You know, this reminds me so much of
Kyle, you take pictures? Gavin.
Why are you going on the rail?
Dang. This is. We're high, Gav. Be careful,
We're
okay?
scary.
Yeah. It's really high. You can see where the water is, how it's receded, right?
That one looks like the Fast and the Furious.
Yeah. See the water? You see how like it's white and then brown? That's how low the water has gone. Right?
Yeah, it really does.
All right, guys. Doesn't look like we're gonna go all the way down. You know, we might cross the bridge all the way down there, but who knows? It's beautiful. Look at that. It's all the way there still. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I just wanted to show you guys I don't know, maybe an aerial view of Hoover Dam because we're high up. We might go down there. We might go down there where all the cars are. We might go down there. But I hope you guys could hear me. It's been fun. It's Warren Boy with Faye. Peace. I need a shave.